Hey there YouTube, MD Trading here, and again we are on the charts for another day of trading. As you can hear, my voice is kind of messed up, so forgive me about that. I got a cold these these days, so forgive me about that. I'm fine. Don't worry. Thank you for worrying, but don't worry, please. So we are here, and the New York Stock Exchange is about to open. It's 1 minute, in about 1 minute. So let's see if we can make something good. And again, this is a live session. Okay, so as you can see, I'm moving my mouse. I think you can see it, but I don't know. Maybe you don't see it. You're not seeing it. But anyway, um, I'm seeing the charts for the first time. So all the readings, all the things that are happening live to me also. So if I say something, if I say anything, I might be wrong or I might be right. So that's a very challenging thing also for me. And yeah, that's it, pretty much. Again, I come from a losing week, so my goal for this week is to be profitable. Not I'm not looking for uh, a big thing, but there's a video, the last video that you can see on my channel, pretty much sums it up. As we are seeing a very how to say, a very big candle right now. Yesterday the markets were operating in a range, a range on above, on the range uh, above or beneath. I don't know. So let's see if today is a little bit more predictable. Because one of the difficulties that I had yesterday was really the unpredictability of the markets operating in the range. So it was swinging, swinging high, swinging low, swinging high, swinging low, not really having a clear momentum. And the little momentum that I caught, I took a profitable trade. Um, so let's see what happens today. Um, I I'll predict the market to get up until the 700 mark. This little white square, white box that I have. It's not really a square, but you know what I mean. And this is one of my level that I use to divide the charts. Wow, what a burst. Um, all right. This is a major point. This is this was today's highest on this session, yes, not on the previous one, but still. It's very dangerous. How could I see it? It was very difficult for me to see any level of support, and chasing it. uh, I don't like it. I am now looking for a potential rebound back down, and then to go up again, so I can get in. Um, I'm not feeling safe getting in now and reach this little box. You might get it, it will, but um, I just didn't think it would have done it that fast. I was kind of unprepared somehow, um, and that was a shame. But they have other areas to fill in also above that box. So now we are seeing that is somehow turning down. The momentum is turning down. So that's what we want, um, for now at least, to get down maybe around here, possibly around the 55-ish, and then get back up and get in, so they can get up. This is starting to create a level of support. Let's monitor it. Um, let's keep it in mind. On another screen that I have here, I also have the charts of the 5 minutes and the 3 minutes candles, and it's showing, in both of them is showing, that's this, so a level of support somehow around this area. Whether he wants to go up again, probably. If you can see breaking it, this candle breaking it. I just want to have a better view. You know, this big area to fill. So what I'm seeing now is that, well, just a couple of minutes ago the trend was going a little bit downwards, and this was a low, and this was said to be, another low, a lower low. But again, this was on a higher low, and the trend was, from that moment was going up. So again, this was another low, but not as low as this one, because the trend was still going up. So I'm now looking for, somehow another low, not not as low as the previous one, to possibly get in. We reached this box, this area to fill. We reached that. So there's another one right, above this, up until this level, this blue line. Um, let's see if we can if we can have a good setup to enter a trade. Let's look at this low. How low can it get? Okay, much lower than the previous one, but not as low as this one nor this one. But the trend is kinda getting down. It's these these minutes, they don't like they I don't like them. They don't give me they don't give me enough. Man, I really don't like it. I think it has to be a very small gain like yesterday. Couple of $100 and that's it. Nothing major. This is looking like it's going down a lot, but it still has to break the previous low. Okay, we are there. Are we selling? Are we going short? That's the question. Are we willing to open position against the trend of the week? That's very dangerous. I'm starting to like as this as a rebound and for this to be a bounce back up. So I'm preparing to get in somewhere around here, maybe around here. Mm. Ooh, I'm scared. I check out. I chicken. I did it like a chicken. Yep, look at this. Will you look at this? This was mine. This candle was mine. All mine. Nope. We are still here with a possible regret. With a possible, I mean, yeah, I was about to enter here at 80-ish. This is already 20 pips. Something like $400 that I didn't take because I was not brave enough um, to enter to get a position in with a setup that I recognized and I was willing to marry. Opla. Yep. Now what do I do? Do I wait for a rebound? Ha! This was the rebound that I was looking for. Uh, this is setting. It's setting new highs for today's. So I don't know, man. I really don't know. This was the low. I feel like I have to get in. And I'm in. I still don't really like the position, the moment that I got in. But if I can make something, if I can build something, that is good, you know. That is something that I'm not particularly a fan of. Okay, this is something that I like a little bit more. And of course, this was a good setup, but yeah, I thought it could get there. Um, you know, 115 bucks, which is going to be 110 or so after commissions, um, are not that bad. I mean, it could be better, of course. In hindsight, this was the right moment for me personally to get in, and you know, I make $500 in a blink of an eye. Um, I read the momentum going up here. I mean, I read it also before, but I chickened out. Um, so I had to do something about it, and you know, you know, look at this. Um, so I'm gonna stop the recording now, and if I have something more, something that I like a little bit more, I'm gonna update you guys. Um, if not, well, just consider this as the end of the video. So watch if you watch this until the end, congrats first of all, and wow, look at this candle. Uh, so I was also right to get out of that. Anyway, so subscribe to the channel if you want, if you want to see more of this type of videos, and put a like if you like it. Put a dislike if you didn't like it. But also, if you didn't like it, you have to tell me why you didn't like it. Um, I personally didn't like it because I didn't get the setups um, that I was that I was saying I was gonna. So anyway, until I see you next time, stay good. Bye.